Bago magkita si Sarah at Davy ay kinausap muna ni Marites ang kanyang apo at sinabi nito ang hiwalayang nangyari sa mami at mamo nito. Binaliktad pa niya ang sitwasyon at dinagdagan pa nga na si Sarah daw ang nang iwan sa kanilang mag-ina. So si Davy bilang mahal niya ang kanyang mamo ay hindi siya naniwala.
Davy, are you ready, apo? After your graduation ceremony, we will go to your sister to visit her.
Are we going to see Mamo too? To visit her and my sister? I miss them so much. I heard that she's already here in the Philippines. I want to see my new sister Amara. I want to meet her. I'm so excited to meet her and Mamo too. I miss them.
Yes, apo. Your tita Sarah will attend to your graduation day since your mommy is in the US. But apo, that will be the last time you will see your mamo. So you better say goodbye to her.
What do you mean last time, Lola? I want to stay with my tita Sarah. After my graduation, I want to be with her. And my sister too. My two sisters. I want to be with them.
Listen, Davy, apo. I know you're smart to understand this. Your mommy and tita Sarah is already broke up, separated, or not together anymore. You will just see your tita Sarah to say goodbye and to Amara. After that, no more tita Sarah, okay? No more connection to them.
Why? No, that's not true. They promised to me, Mommy and Mamu promised before that they're not gonna break up. They're not gonna separated because I will get mad to them. I have my own 10-year-old Sula and I can't accept it that they will break up. I want Mamu Sarah for Mommy and no one else.
Davy, listen to Lola, okay? Your mama wants something new. She left your mommy in America and go back here in the Philippines without your mommy. She left your mommy. Your tita Sarah doesn't want your mommy Tanch anymore, and your mommy decided to let go of your mamo and live a new life in America. You understand? And one day, someday, in God's perfect time, you will go to America too with your mommy.
You're lying, Lula. I want to see Mamu and talk to her. She won't leave us. She won't leave Mommy. She loves us so much. She promised, and they're married already.
We are not lying, apo, because liar goes to hell. You can ask your tita Sarah later because you will going to see her. And I have a surprise for you too. We'll see your daddy. Don't you miss your daddy, Dan? I knew you miss your daddy. He told me that he missed you so much too, and he has a gift on your graduation. Are you excited to see your daddy?
Yes, I missed my daddy, but I missed Mamu Sarah more.
You can ask your tita Sarah. You'll see Lola telling the truth. Lola is not lying. I hope you understand the situation. And your mommy wanted you to study in America soon. Don't you miss your mommy too? You will have a good future in America, apo. Davy, I hope you understand the situation, apo. Your mommy and mamo need to break up because they're not happy anymore. Your tita Sarah wants something else and leave your mommy. She don't support your mommy. She don't love your mommy at all.
I want to see my Mamu and my new sister. I want to meet her. I miss them so much, Lola, and I want to confirm if it is true because I know Mamu love us so much.
Pumayag ni Lumi ang ina ni Sarah na pumunta nga sa graduation ni Davy dahil magkikita sila ng dating mother-in-law nito na si Marites. Subalit si Sarah ay nais nga nitong makita ang masaksihan ang pagtatapos ng kanyang panganay na anak o itinuturing na panganay na anak na si Davy. Sigurado ka ba anak na dadalo ka sa graduation ni Davy?
Oo, Lumi. Itinuring at minahal ko na parang tunay kong anak si Davy. Alam kong ini-expect niya ako doon. Kawawa naman ang bata kung hindi ako darating.
Pero nandun ang nanay ni Tanch. Ayokong apihin ka na naman nila anak. Wala ako doon para ipagtanggol ka.
Lumi, kaya ko na pangalagaan ang sarili ko at protektahan ito. Magiging civil na lang ako kay Tita Tess. Kahit pa paano naman may pinagsamahan kami ng mami ni Tanch. Gusto ko lang makita si Davy at masaya ito habang ito ay nagtatapos ng kanyang grade school. Namimiss ko na rin ang batang yun. Ang tagal na rin simula nung makita ko siya.
Kapag may ginawa ang Marites na yun at sinabi na namang hindi maganda sa'yo, Sabihin mo lang sa amin, anak. Hindi natin sila urungan. Hindi porkit nananahimik tayo ay wala na tayong balak na patulan ang mga patutsada nila.
Lumi, huwag na po kayong mag-alala sa akin. Kaya ko na po ang sarili ko. Mamaya, pupuntahan din namin si Tali para makapagbanding naman sila ni Amara. Baka kasi di pumayag si Tita Tess na dito na muna sa Manila si Tali.
O siya, sige. Ikaw nang bahala. Tawagin mo na lang kami kapag nagka-problema. At pari ba, ihalik mo na lang ako sa apo kong si Davy. Mahal ko rin ang batang yon. Sa pagkikita ni Davy at Sarah, ay kinumpronta ni Davy ang kanyang mamo tungkol sa sinabi ni Marites na hindi na daw mahal sila ni Sarah at si Sarah daw ang nang-iwan, ang mamo niya daw ang nang-iwan. Si Sarah naman ay ayaw niyang mapasama ang mami nito, ayaw niyang mapasama si Tansya mata ng anak nilang si Davy. Kaya ang tanging nasabi na lamang niya ay ang pagmamahal o kung gaano niya kamahal ang bata.
Congratulations, mister. Finally, graduate ka na rin. Nagtapos ka na rin ng inyong grade school. I'm so proud of you, mister.
Mamu, you came here. I miss you so much, Mamu. Thank you for being here.
I miss you too, mister. Congratulations. Hindi pwedeng palagpasin ni Mamo ang pinakamahalagang event na to ng buhay ng kanyang anak. Proud na proud si Mamo sa iyo, anak.
Thank you, Mamu. I thought you will never attend to my graduation because you and Mommy already broke up. Lola said to me a while ago, you left Mommy in USA. You know, Mamu, it's break my heart even though I don't want to believe to Lola that you left my Mommy and me.
Davy, anak, when you grow up, you will understand why Mommy and me broke up. Don't cry na. I thought you're big boy na. Stop crying na. Later, Mama will explain why it happens. Always remember this, Mama loves you so much.
Lola said you don't love us anymore, that you want something else, that you found a new love. Is it true, Mamu, that you don't love us anymore? You don't love me and my mommy?
Davy, anak, always remember this. Whatever happens or wherever you are, Mamo loves you so much. You and Bibi Tali, I love you both so much. And even though you're not came from my tummy, you are from this. You came from this, from my heart. I love you, anak, and no one can change that.
We love you too, Mamu. Me and Bibi Tali love you so much. You are our only one, Mamu. I don't believe what Lola said that you don't love us anymore. I know things right now is so complicated, but I do believe that you love us. I feel it. For so many years, I know that you love us so much. And we love you too.
Sarah, mabuti naman na nakapunta ka dito sa graduation ni Davy. Pwede ba kitang makausap mamaya, iha? May mga sasabihin at ilinawin lang ako sa'yo. Hindi ko po pwede palagpasin ang event na to, Tita Tess. Isa po ito sa pinakamahalagang event na mangyayari sa buhay ni Davy. At una pa lamang ito. Baka nga ito ang huling event na madadaluhan ko. Sige po, mamaya po pagkatapos ng event, mag-usap tayo. Total, magkikita rin naman tayo mamaya sa kondo ni na Vince at Jan. Doon na lang po natin pag-usapan ang mga bagay-bagay.
Abangan sa next chapter ang pag-uusap ni Marites at ni Sarah at ang pagkikita-kita ng mga babies, ang Datara. Sayonara!